Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've been called out here for easy an owlet who came off the roof. It's a lot of space here. Hopefully we're gonna turn this into a short educational bit. It's pretty healthy. So owlets with fledged. Hey, it's okay, little one.
That's why I wasn't gonna touch it anyway.
Let's see if I can make a video. Yep, so a fledgling owlet. He calmed down a lot now. No injuries to the wings. No injuries to the back or the leg. Actually pretty feisty, pretty healthy looking bird. If you get you with those talents though, you won't come off too well.
That's why I was trying to explain to my wife.
Yeah. No, but easy now, easy. So seeing it's healthy, the recommended thing would be to leave it somewhere near the area the parents is going to feed it. Yeah, so it's fairly healthy. It's calming down a lot. It depends. What they do is whenever they land somewhere, they try not to move.
Okay.
You can still see some of the downy plume.
What about on the ground here because it's nice and shaded?
We'll try the branch first. If he stays on the branch, then we're good to go. Yeah, we're gonna leave him in the cool. If he's still on the ground tomorrow, I could come and take him off you and keep him a few days and just do some rehab.
Okay.
But the parents will come back tonight and feed him. So he's nice and cool in the shade. Should be okay. He's stressing out a bit now, so gonna leave him, let him to calm down a bit.